Fire blocking in framed walls is all about stopping fire from sneaking up or down inside those wall cavities, which is super important for keeping your home safe and meeting building codes. So, here's the lowdown on installing fire blocking. First, you want to put blocks at every 10 feet vertically along the wall, framing, and definitely at every floor and ceiling level. Use 2x lumber or drywall pieces that fit snugly between studs or joists. No wiggle room because gaps let fire slip through. Cut your blocking material tight so it's flush with framing edges. A tight fit is key here. After that, seal any tiny gaps or cracks with fire-resistant caulk to make sure nothing gets through. Make sure you're installing blocks on all vertical and horizontal paths where fire might travel inside the wall cavities. Don't forget areas around chimneys, stairwells, or any openings. Those spots are like highways for fire if left unchecked. Keep your measurements precise and always check local code requirements to stay on the safe side. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fire blocking is skipping blocks in spots where they think it's not needed, which leaves openings for fire to spread faster. Fix this by following code guidelines exactly. Another common slip-up is using the wrong materials like untreated wood instead of fire-rated drywall or lumber. Always stick to approved materials for proper protection. Lastly, people often leave gaps between blocks or forget to seal them with fire caulk, which defeats the whole purpose. Make sure everything fits tight and seal every crack you can spot. BigHomeProjects.com is a great way to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about fire blocking and other home safety upgrades. It also helps contractors find real homeowners looking for help, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.